Today we'll be looking at the Lab Document AI Workbench, Custom Document Extractor. Once your lab is ready, let's go ahead and open the GCP console. This will take about 20 seconds to load. Make sure you open it in a new incognito window. You can go ahead and click the I understand button. You will be asked for a few terms and service agreements. Click Agree and Continue. Our first step here will be to enable the Document AI API. On the search bar above, search for Document AI. Click on it. In the following page, you will find an option called Explore Processors. You click on the Explore button. Now it will ask you to enable the API page. You go ahead and enable the Cloud Document AI API. This should take about less than a minute or a maximum of 2 minutes to get enabled. Now that API is enabled, let's select the Custom Extractor. Now we'll go back to our lab. We'll go down below to the task where we have the bucket name. We copy the name and paste it back here. Then we'll select Custom Cloud Storage, and then we'll take the bucket name from here. And then we'll paste it back here, and then we'll go ahead and create. This creation of dataset initialization will take some time, so once that is done, we can proceed. Now we see it is completed. We'll go ahead and click Customize. Then we'll click the Generate From Document button, and here we'll select this document. You can find this document in the GitHub link attached in the description below. You can just upload the photo here. Make sure you give this prompt. Make all the fields' names uppercase, and then click Generate Schema. Once you have done this, wait for a couple of seconds. This should give you the schema. Now you'll see the required schemas here, so let's do Apply Schema.
Once we have the schema reflected here, we have to change a few things. Let's go back to the lab and check progress here. So this will give task 1 as completed. So we can go ahead with the step 2. So if you see the field control number, it should have a data type number. So we'll go back to GCP and go click the 3 dots. We'll click the edit field and then we'll change the data type to number. We'll also change occurrence to required multiple. And you can see it's the same for every field. So we make it required multiple and click save. We should change this for each and everything. So let's go ahead and change it very fast. Make sure you edit all the fields to required multiple. Now once this is done, you have to upload the sample document. Go back to lab and copy the file path. To upload the sample document, you click the Import from Cloud Storage. Add the copied path and click Import. So this should import and analyze your document. It will take about a minute and it is going to analyze the document and give you the label details. Once this interface loads, we can go ahead and check if everything is properly labeled. Have a quick look, and once it's labeled, you can mark as completed. So we'll go ahead and check for the completion of the second task. So they will show as task 2 as completed. For third task, let's copy the path of training documents. Come back to build and import documents. We'll paste it here. We'll put it as training. We'll go to the next one. We'll copy paste and we'll put it as test. And then we'll import this. So the import of document should take about a minute. So once this is complete, we will be ready to go to the next step. Once the document input is completed, let's go ahead and check for that step as well. So this step should also be completed. Our next step is to train the custom model. So we'll go ahead and take the model version from here. Let's copy it and come back. So here you can see that we have an option to create new version. We'll create new version, paste the version name and make it template based and click start training. This should take very long to train. You can go ahead and take a break. So this is going to take about 90 minutes. So let's come back when this is done. To check status, we can go to deploy and use. Here we'll see the status. So here it says training. So as you can see that training is completed now. and this should show something like undeployed. So let's go ahead and check the progress. So this should show you that the task is completed. So once the task is completed, you can go ahead and check the progress on the sidebar as well. So this will also show the task is completed, and this will show you that we have scored 80 out of 100. So for now, for people who want to stop here, you can stop here because this lab only needs you to score 80% or higher for the challenge lab. I'll show you again. It's just 80% requirement. So if you want, you can go ahead and end the lab. For others, we'll see what we have to do next to complete. The last step is to deploy. So the deploy step is very simple. We'll go ahead and just select this version which we created and want to deploy. Once you select, just click deploy and again the deploy button. So this should again take around 40 to 45 minutes again. So you probably could go and end the lab. This challenge lab would be completed. But if you don't want to, you can wait till it deploys, and once it's deployed, you can come again, check progress, and that will again show 100% once deployment is completed. So once you have this step completed, check the status. You can go ahead and do that in the sidebar as well. So once you check progress, it should tell you this is 100%. Once you see that 100%, you can now go ahead and now end the lab. So congratulations, you have completed this lab. That's all for this video. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.